Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Unique Artwork. I'm Taylor. Really quick, I just want to demold these because I think that they're going to turn out really cool. I don't know about this one. Well, this there. It's only one. It's whatever. I think this is going to turn out really cool, so I want to demold this. I recorded how to do this, but my camera died, so I didn't record it. Here we go. This was made with interference powder. Oh yeah, see? So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. I hope you can see it all. So my inspiration was crystals. This reminds me of Labradorite, right? The yellow, the purple, that shimmer. Oh yeah. Alright, so I also have these ones. This one I was trying to go for opal, but I mean, we'll see what they look like, right? Okay, it's pretty. Not exactly opal, but you see what I'm going for. Not bad. I like them. Pretty. Could try this again. I see opal. I wish the video would have stayed. Would have been a cool video. Maybe I'll redo this in another video too. Last one. So yeah, these ones turned out pretty cool too. But in this video we're gonna do this one, Labradorite. I'm gonna say this is Labradorite. You see like the, oh yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna mix up my resin and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I decided an hour later what mold I was going to use. I'm going to do a moon. Whatever. I have all my resin mixed up, all the colors and stuff. So the magic happens in 1 cup. So I have 5 colors. I have gold, interference gold, interference violet, interference blue, interference green, and regular black, but I put the additive, the mica powder enhancer in there. In the black. Whatever. Okay. So, I'm gonna tilt you downwards so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I just wanted to get some of the bubbles out. Alright, let's do this. So I'm gonna start with gold. I made the majority of it gold because it showed up the most. Alright, so a little bit of gold. I'm gonna split it with black. I guess I don't need this yet, right? I can show you. And then I'm gonna put another color. And then I'm gonna put black again. And then I'm gonna put this color, blue. And then I'm gonna do black again. Just a little bit this time. And then I'm gonna do the green. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of black again. So yeah, just alternate the colors. Put everything in the cup though. Everything goes in the cup. Black. Colors. It's hard to tell what color it is because it's interference. I think that one's violet. I did not add any of the other colors
to this. It's just interference and then the black. Alright, almost done. That's most of the, almost all of the black. There's only a little bit of black left, so I'm just... Alright.
Actually, I'm gonna put the rest of the black right on top. Boop, 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 boop. Yay, fun. Okay, now the fun part. I'm gonna do a little tiny stir. That's it. That's it. All done. And then I'm just gonna pour it in the mold. I mean, you do want the mold to be level, but I kind of already poured all my resin in here, so we're just gonna go for it. I like to just lay, when it comes out, just lay it down. It's gonna be hard in this mold, but whatever, it's fine. Oh yeah, that looks so cool. I don't want to mess up what happened over here, so I'm just going to pour it all in right here. This looks awesome already. So this is going to turn, I'm going to turn this into a wall hanging. I made 2 little pieces that I'm going to put on it. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked it. I'll be back to demold. Bye-bye.